The married ones are thinking of divorce, while the unmarried ones wish to be married. The unknown crave fame, while the famous just want privacy. The young want to grow old, while the old wish they could turn back time. The poor want to become rich, and the rich, they spend their nights wishing for the peace they lost chasing wealth. The healthy take their bodies for granted, while the sick would give anything for just one more day without pain. You see, the grass always seems greener, but nothing grows without watering what's already yours. The truth is, no one has it all, but everyone has enough, if only they stopped and took a moment to see it.